class we will talk about the new chapter active voice and passive voice. But before starting the new chapter, we will discuss about some parts of the chapter participle. After that chapter will be started. Often, however, the participial phrase may come before the noun. It qualifies in such cases. It often talks of an earlier action or several actions in a row. Example: hearing the music, everyone started dancing. Worn out, the man sat down to rest. Taken by surprise, the thieves were caught. A participle can be used as an adverb. To modify another adjective, we use the participle as an adverb. Examples: what you need is a piping hot bowl of soup. The beating cold wind whipped the leaves from the trees. We were dead tired after the trip. Now, exercise D. Combine each set of sentences to make one sentence using a participle. The first one has been done for you. So let's see second one. Catching the ball, the player threw it at the wicket. Third one. Having been beaten in the final round, the boxer lost the match. Considering his oldness, he should be more responsible. Having decided to resign, he submitted his resignation letter. Being charmed with performance, we rewarded the participants. Opening the door, he rushed out. Having been opened the gate by the guard, we drove in. Leaving in a hurry, Cinderella dropped one of her glass slippers. Seeing her sister leave, Poonam asked her where she was going. Now, we will talk about voice. It is that form of verb which shows that the person or thing denoted by the subject does something or has something done to it. There are two kinds of voice. First one, active voice. In the active voice, the subject does the action denoted by the verb. Tina broke the window pane. Active. Now, passive voice. In this sentence, broke is active voice. Now, passive voice. In the passive voice, the subject is acted upon and hence is the reliever of the action denoted by the verb. The window pane was broken by Tina. Passive, and passive voice is, that is, was broken. The example of passive voice tells us that something was done to the subject, window. The verb was broken expresses an action done to the subject, window. The verb phrase was broken is said to be in the passive voice. Active to passive conversion means how to change active voice into passive voice. Rules for changing. First rule: the object of the active voice becomes the subject of the passive voice. Second one, the active voice itself changes into be plus V3, that is, V3 is past participle. Third one, the subject of the active voice becomes the agent or object preceded by the preposition by. Fourth one, that means by plus agent or object. The personal pronouns change into objective case or into subjective case according to the situation. So for today it is over.